how to get unlimited coupon codes for existing users on Temu. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to Login Helps, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can get unlimited coupon codes for existing users in Temu. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now to find the coupon codes, first of all you need to open up the Google in your device. And once you have opened it up, in the search bar, search for Temu coupon codes. Once you search for it, you will land with multiple search results with various websites or links. Here you can tap on any one of that to view the coupon code. For example, I will go with the first link on this interface. Here, if you scroll down a bit, you can see various coupon codes with various amount of discount. Now, tap on any one of that you wish to apply on coupon code on Temu. Once that, make sure to read this coupon code details. Now if you want to use that, tap on copy. Once you have copied the coupon code, now you can go back and open up Temu in your device. Once you have opened up the application, make sure to log into your account. After you're logged in, now to use the coupon code, tap on new icon from the bottom of this interface and then tap on coupons and offers. There you have a text box that says enter coupon code. All you have to do is paste the coupon code that you have copied recently and then tap on apply. So during your checkout, you will have certain discount amount according to your coupon codes in Temu. And that's how you can use or you can get unlimited coupon codes for existing users on Temu. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.